I promised you guys some more ghost DIYs for Halloween, so here you are. Oh my gosh, I just finished putting the finishing touches on this adorable little Halloween arrangement, and I am so happy and pleased with the way this came out. It is so stinking cute. Now you might recognize these little ghost figurines here in the back. If you're wondering where I got those from, well, I actually made them. I'm going to put the link to the video that I did here recently on how I actually made those, but basically I just used these really inexpensive silicone molds that I picked up from Temu. They were actually very affordable, and I just poured some plaster of Paris that I picked up from my local hardware store, poured it into those little molds, and this was the outcome. Oh my gosh, they are so cute, and they're definitely the star of the show here in this little container. I think so anyway. Now this was so easy to put together, and I would highly encourage you guys to do something like this yourselves. It is so much fun, and you could definitely get your kids or your grandkids involved as well. You probably have some of these items at home already. I'm sure you've got a flower pot, maybe you've got some soil, maybe you've got some like little colored pebbles. Go to the dollar store. You can find these little faux succulents. None of this stuff is real, so you don't have to worry about, watering anything. This little black metal house I actually picked up here in Canada at Dollarama. It was $4.50. And these little guys I thrifted. I found them at Value Village many years ago. But if you look at like Michael's or Hobby Lobby, I'm sure you can go to their miniature, fairy garden section or in mini gardening section, and you can probably pick out some of these little items as well. I'm sure they'll have them, and they're probably even on sale right now. So yeah, you can make like a little fence with some popsicle sticks. You could even, find a little wooden birdhouse, paint it black. So many different things you could do. You just let your imagination run wild, and these are so much fun. I'd kind of forgotten how much fun they are to put together. I actually haven't done one in a while, and this was actually really therapeutic. I thoroughly enjoyed myself. Now this one in particular is going to be going to my dental office where I work, and I'm going to put this at the reception desk. So this is going to greet everybody when they come to our office and when they're booking their appointments and things like that and speaking with the receptionist. This is something that they'll be able to look at and enjoy. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my little project here, and until next time, I hope you guys are all doing well. And if you're living here in Canada, today that I'm actually filming this is Thanksgiving, and I hope you're all enjoying your weekend with each other and eating lots of turkey and just having a really good time, and hope you're all doing well. And until next time, I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now, everyone.